Today is our 20th wedding anniversary. Yay!
Yay.
So we are off on a staycation to Crown for the first time ever. We are going for the night. We're leaving our 4 children, including our 2 adults who are looking after our other 2 at home. And we are going to go and live it up at Crown for the night. So we're going to the Conservatory restaurant, which is somewhere where I've always wanted to go. I know Matt has too.
I've never heard about it until yesterday.
Well, actually, we booked it about a month ago. So I told you about it a month ago.
He never tells me anything. I just turn up.
So we were going to go to a local restaurant and just have a lunch because we normally do something very tame because obviously we've got 4 kids and we don't have family that live nearby and we kind of do it all ourselves. So it's our time to now go and have a bit of adult fun and enjoy ourselves after 20 years of marriage. So we're celebrating big. We're very excited and we're looking forward to taking you along on the journey. So this is just a bit of a vlog of our day and I hope you enjoy watching.
See ya.
So we just arrived in Melbourne and we just ended up at Crown. So we are now in the food court. It's very noisy. Hopefully you can hear me. So Matt got a
Lamb
Souvlaki.
Souvlaki.
So his looks
Pretty shit.
whereas I got it was meant to be a salad, but it looks really good with chicken. And Matt got a water and I got a coffee as well. And so we are situated in Southbank. So we've just got this lovely little view and we're going to eat our lunch and then we're going to head up to the casino and we're going to go and see how all this reward stuff works. So it's all very connected. Everything in Crown seems connected. You can walk from, the car park all the way through the shops and everything's all joined together. So we're in the casino food court. Okay, we'll eat our lunch and I'll let you know what our room looks like once we get up to the Metropole. Okay, thanks. Okay, so this is our room tour. We've just come up from Metropole. And it was a bit interesting because we went after our lunch, we went and had a look around the casino and we had to go and register for Crown rewards so that we could actually play the gambling machines. And there was a big line there. So it took us probably about 20 minutes, would you say, Matt? Half an hour to line up. There's a big line because everybody needs cards now to gamble. All right, so as you come into the room, we actually ended up with a corner suite, which is pretty nice. So we are at the end of level 9 and this is our bathroom. So you walk in and there's a nice little area. We bought our own water. You see Matt on the bed there just chilling out looking at the view. We bring our own water jug so we don't have to buy water and we can drink filtered water. This is our vanity. It's nice and big, which is lovely. And this is our toilet and our shower. The shower opens this way. Oh, goes in, not out. Quite a large shower, which will be nice and refreshing later on. And there are some toiletries and things that come, the box of tissues. You have some body lotion, Mr. Smith, I think that's Metropole's own version of things. Some hand towels. There's a drawer with a hairdryer in it. Yes, that's a nice little walk-in area. We've got this little slidey area here that Matt said he's going to serve me drinks through. No, he actually closed it when I said he could do that for me. We've got in the walk-in area there is a wardrobe you can hang your clothes up in. There's another cupboard here with the Metrocon robes and the slippers if you want to wear those. Matt will probably wear those in the morning. And you've got a kettle and an iron and a charging adapter, international charging adapter, a safe, and just a little bar area here. We've pulled out some of the mini bar contents and we'll put them back. It's not a weighted fridge, which is great. And we've just popped our mixers in there because we bought our own drinks. So we just packed some mini bottles of our own gin and bourbon. So this is the main part of our room. It's a Lux King that we've got. And so we've got our big king bed there, and a nice big widescreen TV. And we've got a corner view. So the corner view is of the city. You see some nice big buildings there in the city. You can see Madison Grand over there, and you can see kind of a big car park out there, but the corner view is lovely. So lots of space. We've got a little chase chair over here to sit on and a nice little table in the middle. So it's quite a lovely room. The air feels nice and cool. You can control the climate. That's like air conditioning up there. Yeah, so all in all, it looks like it'll be a lovely stay. We got to check in about 15 minutes early. So we're supposed to check in at 3, and we checked in at about 2:45. So that's our tour of a Lux King room in Crown Metropole in Melbourne. So we're now in our morning. So we've had a nice sleep here in a motel. We're all packed up and we're going down to the Hive to have a buffet breakfast. So this is the last part of our stay. For the casino, we are...
What are we?
What are we for the casino? We're $3.50 down.
Oh, yeah, that's...
So we're going to see how our luck goes today, and we're going to put 100 back in.
Wow.
And hope for the best. So we're at Mr. Hive and we have our breakfast. So this is what I got. So we got pretty much all of the hot breakfast. So I got poached eggs, some sausage, some mushrooms, some bacon and some tomato. Matt got pretty much the same, except he puts barbecue sauce all over his. And we got a berry smoothie and a coffee. So yeah, so this is our breakfast. It's about $40 for us to both have breakfast in peak times. I think it is a little bit cheaper outside of Christmas, New Year. We're in 28th of December, so it's quite expensive to do all of this, but it's quite yummy as well. But if you go to a cafe to eat breakfast, it's usually pretty high anyway. So yeah, looking forward to tucking in. So we're on our way back home now. So we literally finished our staycation at Crown.
Yay.
We actually did a little bit better at the casino this morning. So we didn't actually win much, but we got to play for about 90 minutes and we broke even with our last $100. So we got to take $100 out at the cashier. We had to wait for the cashier to open for 5 minutes before we could get our little bit of money and leave the casino. So all up out of our $500 budget, we spent $400, but that did include drinks, didn't it? There was a few drinks and things that we bought as well. So it wasn't just gambling. So gambling all up, we spent about $350 having a bit of a splurge. And so last night after we had dinner was a little bit more exciting than what it was in the afternoon. So we ended up having a bit of a splurge after dinner, which was a bit better. We got to win a few games and we spent probably another 90 minutes or so gambling last night and decided to come back this morning and have a bit of a flutter. And so we had a really nice brekkie and now we're heading home. But it's about, I'd say it's about, 12:30, is it? Yeah, 12:30. So yeah, we had a lovely staycation away for our 20th anniversary and we hope you enjoyed watching along and we'll share some more vlogs of things that we do again. All right, thanks.